Here's some quick tips on how to manage your short-term rental. I'm going to show you how to automatically review all of your Airbnb guests to give them a 5-star review. So this is Guesty For Host. Now this tool only works for Airbnb. It does not work for VRBO. VRBO, you're going to have to actually manually go in there and review your guest. So we're going to go right over here to messaging first. You're going to go ahead and scroll all the way down to the star where it says auto review. You see this toggle right here, this blue toggle, it's on. That means your auto review feature is on. Next thing you're going to do is you're going to check the review time. Currently we have it set to 1 day after checkout. That's when we send our reviews. You can actually send your review on the day of checkout or however long, like 14 days. We like to send it out 1 day after checkout because that gives our cleaners enough time to let us know if anything was wrong with the property. The one thing you don't want to do is send your review out too soon and then your cleaner goes in there and finds out the place was trashed. You just gave your guest a 5-star review. There's no way you're going to be able to file a claim with them through Airbnb. Scroll down here, there's a review content. Now we use the review pool, what Guesty For Host creates. There's about 50 reviews there that automatically cycle through and get sent out to guests. And you could create your own review template, but that gets a little boring, so we use the review pool that Guesty For Host uses. If you have an awful guest and you want to pause that review, what you're going to do is you're going to scroll down a little bit further where it says upcoming reviews, and you're just going to go ahead and click on this so that way it stops the review. That's the easiest way to pause the review. There's another way. What you're going to do is you're going to go over here to the calendar. You're going to click on the guest, so let's click on this guest right here. Now you could scroll all the way down, and on the bottom there's a auto review toggle. Now right now there's this question mark that's blocking it, but you can actually click on that and that stops the review from getting sent out. And that's it. That's our process. We try to automate this, and that's how we send out all of our reviews.